Rice Playhouse, and we're going to be playing with Rainbow Dash band and Rainbow Dash boat. Here I have a band, and it only includes Rainbow Dash and Rarity. Here I have the boat, and it only includes Rainbow Dash. That's it. That's all I have. We are going to be opening this one first. Hi, we just opened up the Rainbow Dash thing. It has a Rarity, a little cute card cutout thing of Rarity. Then it has this little Rainbow Dash doll singing thingy. And then it has some drumsticks and a and then it has a drumstick and tambourine. And then it has a piano guitar and another guitar, a blue guitar and an orange guitar. And it has this paper talking about the dolls and accessories. We have the Rainbow Dash, which is not on here. But we have this one, and then it comes with 22 accessories. Show the camera. Then we have the drum set, and then we have this little thing paper I just showed you guys. Then we have a stage. This white little guitar with this cardboard stage cheap. And then we got this. It comes with, we have the rainbow doll, but not that exact doll. And there's a Pinkie Pie doll, and there's a other dolls, and this dolls, and this doll. And then it comes with 22 accessories from the other ones. You can go check that out. And then we have the stage. Go. Okay, I set up the stage. Now let's see Rainbow play her music. She has her microphone. Go. Oh, we're missing Rarity. Rarity, where is she?
Oh, there she is. Oh, sorry I'm late, darling. I was fashionably late as usual. Rarity, you're late for the concert. I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. So where's my instrument? Who's that? That's an imposter. I am the real Rarity. Get out. Okay, darling, let me get on the stage with you. Rarity, I think you're too big. Racist. No, darling, I fit just right. So I'm gonna play this. Let's play the music. Woo!
Oh. Get up, get down, stop your hands, turn around. Oh my gosh, the dog has Rarity! Now make a change. Okay. Wait, she don't got no instrument. Gosh. Nigga. God, get an instrument.
Quiet.
Watermelon.
Shut up.
So, if I was to rate this toy, I would give it a 8. Actually a 7.5. Time to open this toy.
Out of what? Out of 10.
Now we're gonna
go.
Here it is. I opened it up by myself with no help. No one wanted to help me, but we are going to put it together. I think this is a boat. Excuse me. I believe this goes here. Excuse me. I said, excuse me. I don't even know those things. I'm about to try.
Oh.
Okay, I put it all together, and it looks pretty cool. And we have Rainbow Dash and her sword, but yeah. And then we're gonna put up these. Do it. We're gonna put up the wings on each side. And now we are going to. Where's the bird? Get the bird, Desi.
What bird?
On the floor.
There.
Go. It shoots out the chicken from the little, I don't know what to call these.
Rocket thing.
From the shooter. I think you can put it in as deep as you want it to go, as far as you can. It's okay, I'm gonna need one. We're gonna shoot it at the camera. Ooh, that was cool. Let's do it again.
No.
Yeah, let's try this one. There. Now we can look at the box. You can set it up like this. You can set it up like this. You can set it up many different ways. And there's different avatars. It's Pinkie Pie and Twilight Sparkle. But we only have her. So, we are going to roll it to look for treasure. Oh no! We're gonna fall! Pause. Yay, the dog's here! Patrick's here to save us! Patrick's here to save us! Let's go! Help us! See the dog saving us! Thank you, Patrick, so much! No problem. Anytime you need help, just tell me! Can you pull us to look for the lost treasure? Sure, where is that at? 50 paces east. 50 paces west. West? You mean east. Let's go. No. We are here. Thank you, Patrick. No problem.
Go. Arg, we found treasure.
Treasure. Excuse me, this is my treasure. No, you mean mine. Hold on, wait. You mean mine. I found it fair and square. Well, I was here
You talk
first.
louder.
So you can go back and you call whatever that is a ship and go back to Ponyville. This is my treasure. Mine.
Darlings, please stop. This is not a way to fight. Let's share the treasure.
You got a point there, you Rarity. Let's share with the Wackers. Let's share.
Yeah, 3 ways. See, sharing is magic. The magic of friendship.
I call the purple ruby. It's mine.
It's mine! Oh, sorry, darlings. I got carried away. You know, I could just go on this dress. Actually, I can make a headpiece. But anyways, darlings, you should share that with me. I helped. So, thanks.
Whoever helped it was Patrick.
Bye. Hey, he wasn't even here, darling. He wasn't even here.
But he
I
still,
deserve the treasure too.
But he still helped pull the chest, so we have to share.
Sharing is not caring.
Here you go, Patrick.
This is an
you.
outrage. Wow, I got defeated by a dog.
I'm not even a dog. I'm a ship puller.